Mirchi Bajji is all times and everyone's favorite, but eating the same type of bhaji, we get bored. So today I'm bringing the different and unique stuffed with potato masala. Let's jump into that. Thank you for stepping into my channel, Tasty Food for All. I took two potatoes, boiled and peeled. Now I'm mashing it. You can see that. Mash it until you don't see any lumps in it. Then you can add half a teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon crushed dhania, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed carom seeds, that is ajwain, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, that is dried mango powder. Add salt to taste, and whatever spices you want you can add per your taste. Mix it thoroughly, then goes in coriander leaves. Then give it a mix. Let's take our chilies, but before using, wash it thoroughly. Then make a slit with the help of this knife. Guys, always wash your green chilies very well because they use lot of pesticides for producing green chilies. So either you wash it in salt water or vinegar water, but make sure that you wash it thoroughly. Now, completely take out the seeds from it. I prefer taking out seeds but because they are very spicy. If you like to have spiciness, then you keep it. Do it with all other chilies. Now it's time to add our stuffing. Stuff it as much as possible and do it with rest all chilies. Now it's time to mix our batter. For that I have taken 1 cup of chickpea flour, that is besan, half a teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of rice flour, salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then mix it well, followed by 2 tablespoons of hot oil. Then give it a mix and then add water little by little because we don't want our batter to be thin and liquid pouring consistency. So that's why be careful while adding water. The batter should be like this. It should be lump free and we are going to rest it for about 15 minutes. After resting, the batter becomes little thicker, so we're going to add little more water to this to loosen it up. That's it. You can mix it again. You can see that the ribbon consistency. My oil is already heating up. Let's check whether it is ready or not. Yes, it is. Now we can go ahead. You can see clearly you shouldn't dip your bhaji into the batter completely. Leave some side, either the stuffing side or the other part, back side. Why my bhajis are hiding from my camera? Now it is there. Please be there. Don't go anywhere. Fry them on medium high flame. Enjoy this evening snack whenever you feel like to have it. Thank you. Bye bye.